monitoring what's going on in your body. Yes, I know what the feeling is, because for years when I used to do all those workouts and take classes and all that, I never ever monitored anything. Those days, the concept of Fitbits and trackers were just coming in, and somehow we just moved and we got a lot of results. And in the yesteryears, we had pedometers where we would take, like, it was like a little machine, you'd clip it onto your pant pocket and it would measure the number of steps that you took. But today, a lot of things have changed and there's way more technology for you to enjoy your health and fitness journey rather than just making it really boring. So you can actually learn to compete with yourself. Hi guys, my name is Dinas and I've been in the health and fitness field since 1993. And in today's video, I will be explaining to you the power of a smartwatch. In fact, we're actually going to compare a smartwatch versus a fitness tracker. So many a times people get confused and they just say, which band should I buy? So you need to understand that it's two things, smartwatch and a fitness tracker. So let's take a comparison of what a smartwatch does, then what a fitness tracker does. And then I will help you. If you've never bought anything, I'm going to help you to actually buy whatever works for you. So a smartwatch is usually a watch which gives us features beyond a time. So you get the Samsung smartwatches or you get the Apple smartwatches. Now, one of the biggest advantage of that is it helps you to communicate with others. It helps you to access your photos. By just putting something on your wrist, you're able to read, you're able to communicate. You don't have to have your phone next to you. So if you're someone like me who is like coolly hanging around in the kitchen all the time, ever since I'm wearing my smartwatch, I don't need to keep my phone with me. Even if my phone is in another room, as I'm cooking my food, I can actually access my calls, take my calls. So really the question of missing out a lot of calls is not there. Now this watch definitely tells us more than the time, and it's very fascinating, it's very interesting. Now I'm personally a very Apple person, so I like my Apple Watch. It helps me to reach out to people faster. It helps me to track my everyday progress. When I touch my screen, I set my goals for the day or for the week or for the month. So we have goals like how many steps do I want to take, or how many calories do I want to burn, how many kilometers would I want to walk. So on one end, when I do all this manually and I actually put it down in my notebook, on the other end I also have my goals set on my smartwatch. So throughout the day I'm tracking my progress and seeing whether I'm sitting too much, whether I'm working out too much, have I done adequate workouts, or have I been adequately active. Now, when I do all these things, it helps me personally to understand what's going on in my body. Rather than just sitting on one chair and then after 10-15 days or a month, when you feel that you're putting on weight, then you suddenly wake up and you realize that you need to get more active. Now this watch, a smartwatch, is also Bluetooth enabled. So the question of wires and all that is not, it's so much more cooler. The other cool part of it is you can also access your photos. You can also access your messages. In some of the newer versions, you can also access your WhatsApp. Now this is all, it's almost like independent of a phone. When it is independent of a phone, you don't have to walk around with your phone. You can actually just enable your AirPods with it and go out for a walk without holding on to a phone. Now all these functions definitely depend upon the brand, and you select the brand that you want, you select what you want according to your budget, and just make it more budget friendly, make it more comfortable for you. But you have to understand whether you need a smartwatch or not. Now, if your goal is only health, fitness, tracking, etc., not communication, then you can go for a fitness tracker. A fitness tracker is like a watch which tracks everything to do with your health. Now a fitness tracker is generally linked to synced with some apps depending on what you're using, because depending on what brand you have. Now a fitness tracker monitors your sleep, the number of steps that you take, your pace. It monitors a lot of things, all to do with your workouts, all to do with your sleep, all to do with your activity, and a lot to do with your health. So this does not, a fitness tracker does not allow you to kind of communicate with others. So the basic fitness tracker is only designed to track your progress with health and fitness. Now these are cheaper, they are sweat resistant, they are built for monitoring your personal progress. Now what you can also do is, whether it is a smartwatch or a fitness tracker, you can take it, not only have it as a month's overview or a week's overview, but you can also take your readings every day and put it on a physical tracker. When you write down your readings on a physical tracker, and at the end of the week when you take a look at it, you will see, oh yeah, on Wednesday when I didn't move my body, I barely did 3,000 steps. On Friday when I had a high intensity cardio workout, I even went up to 10,000 steps. So this way you will have an overview of your entire week. Now if your goal is weight loss, you need to have higher standards in your fitness tracker and make sure that you achieve them. Then you will get the results. Now how do you know which one to buy, smartwatch or fitness tracker? Where it comes to health and fitness, both are doing the same jobs almost. Now you need to decide what look you want on your wrist. Number 2, the fitness trackers are a little more plasticky, which is fine. You also need to decide what is your budget. How much money are you really ready to spend on yourself? Make it non-competitive. Don't compete with your neighbor. Do what is comfortable to you, because the end result is not what you wear. The end result is what results you actually get. So I want each and every one of you to go out there, pick up something for yourselves depending on your budget, work towards your goals, and that way you will realize that you have way more clarity for your goals where your health and fitness is concerned or your weight loss is concerned. And this way your body and your mind will be on a healthy track for the rest of your lives. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I want each and every one of you to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share the video so that we help so many more people in our country to make informed choices. Thank you and bye-bye.